Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new Universal Champion, Roman Reigns!
As most you're earning respect tonight in a fight like this. You're going to say, man, that was a good fight out.
Cena powering Reigns up, AA position. There it is. Cena covered by John, hooks the leg. Roman Reigns kicks out. Wow! The Rock laying the smackdown. The Rock is here. Taking out Big Show.
Most electrifying man in sports entertainment.
King, here it comes.
Get ready.
Do it, King, do it.
The most electrifying man in all of sports entertainment with the people's elbow.
The Rock. Where did he come from?
This is awesome.
Well, there were rumors all week long that Rock was in Philly, but we didn't think it. Oh my God! No! A spear by Reigns, driving Show through the announce table.
They're both done.
You gotta be kidding me! Roman Reigns back to his feet. The official at 6. Now he's at 7.
Big Show's gonna get up.
Trying to make it
Big
back
Show's
to
gonna
his
beat the
feet.
count. Big Show's gonna beat the count.
Big Show did beat the
What do you
count.
gotta do to keep the giant down?
How the hell did Big Show beat the count?
Oh my God! Look at this! Look at it!
Reigns,
What are you doing?
come on! Reigns is gonna bury the bitch. There it is. Cena covered by John, hooks the leg. Roman Reigns.
Wow.
And guys, you talked about respect, right? Goldberg hit Lesnar with a spear! A spear from out of nowhere!
Goldberg may shock the world.
Goldberg again with a spear! 2 spears to Lesnar! Brock's in trouble!
Seth said you had no idea what Roman and I are capable of when we're on the same page.
Think about what's put all 3 of
Earning respect tonight in a fight like this. You're going to say, man, that was a good fight after it's all over with, but right now, somebody's going to win.
Wolves.
The hounds of justice are going monster
high. A vicious spear by Reigns.
You know, Cena, he'll always think of something. He's going up
Not caught. Roman Reigns caught Cena. Oh, and he almost had
entertainment with the people's elbow.
The Rock. No, Rusev was never eliminated.
Well, wait a minute.
Five,
There he is.
2,
Roman
3,
Reigns.